Introducing the West Bend Quikserve Toaster, where style, design, and functionality come together to revolutionize your breakfast routine. If you're a busy individual seeking a fast, efficient, and convenient way to prepare your morning toast, this toaster is a perfect choice. With its sleek design and compact footprint, it's a space-saving addition to any kitchen countertop. One of the standout features of the West Bend Quikserve toaster is its impressive speed. Unlike traditional toasters, this two-slice toaster can brown your bread in less than 2 minutes. Yes, you heard that right. Say goodbye to long waiting times and hello to perfect toast in no time. But speed isn't the only thing this toaster excels at. It comes equipped with a wide slot that can handle thicker bread, bagels, and even waffles. With a slide-through tray, your toast will be ready to serve in just 90 seconds or less. It's the ideal companion for busy mornings when you need a quick and delicious breakfast. Convenience is at the heart of the West Bend Quikserve toaster's design. The built-in serving tray adds an extra layer of functionality. When not in use, simply close it for easy storage. And when your toast is done, it conveniently slides through onto the serving tray, ready for you to enjoy. Navigating the toasting process is a breeze with the easy-to-use electronic controls. The toaster offers 7 shade settings, allowing you to customize the level of toasting to your preference. Whether you like your toast lightly browned or with a golden crust, the West Bend Quikserve toaster has got you covered. And if you ever need to stop the toasting cycle, the convenient cancel button is there to help. For bagel lovers and those who follow a gluten-free diet, this toaster has special settings to cater to your needs. The bagel setting toasts just one side of your bagel, ensuring the perfect crispiness. On the other hand, the gluten-free setting toasts your bread for a longer duration at a lower power, producing optimal results for gluten-free bread. Safety is paramount in any kitchen appliance, and the West Bend Quikserve toaster doesn't disappoint. Its cool touch exterior ensures safe and easy handling, providing you with peace of mind while using the toaster. In conclusion, the West Bend Quikserve toaster is a game changer in the world of toasters. Its lightning-fast toasting speed, wide slot capacity, and user-friendly features make it a must-have for anyone seeking a hassle-free and enjoyable breakfast experience. With its sleek design and space-saving build, it adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen while providing top-notch performance. Upgrade your breakfast routine with the West Bend Quikserve toaster and experience the convenience and speed you've always wished for. Say hello to perfect toast and goodbye to long waiting times. It's time to toast like never before.